Welcome to today's video on how to find my iPhone from another iPhone. Let's get started. The easiest way to find your iPhone from another iPhone is by using the Find My iPhone app. Here's how. Go to the App Store on their iPhone. Search for Find My iPhone app. Download and install the app if it's not already installed. Open the app and sign in with your Apple ID and password. This is the same Apple ID associated with your lost iPhone. After signing in, the app will display a list of all your devices linked to your Apple ID. Tap on your lost iPhone. The app will now display a map with the location of your iPhone. You can zoom in to get a more precise location. If you believe your iPhone is nearby, you can play a sound to help you locate it. In the Find My iPhone app, tap on your lost iPhone's name. Select Play Sound. Your iPhone will emit a loud, distinctive sound, even if it's in silent mode. If you suspect your iPhone has been stolen or can't be retrieved immediately, you can enable Lost Mode to protect your data. In the Find My iPhone app, tap on your lost iPhone. Select Activate under the Lost Mode option. Follow the on-screen instructions to set a passcode and display a custom message on your lost iPhone screen. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our next tutorials.